الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. ربنا زدنا علما أجمعين وعلمنا الكتاب آمين. How's everyone doing? Good. Everyone have a good relaxing weekend? No?
Cold weekend.
Cold? Oh, you had a cold. Alright. So inshallah, this week we're going to be basically continuing on. There's not a lot of new stuff that happens in the next chapter, next lesson, which is lesson 4, because we've already done it. We've been doing it for a while. So you get a little, so it's not a heavy. The heavy stuff was like the numbers we did and the inna and the ala and stuff like that. But we're gonna keep coming back to that and reviewing that whenever possible. So Friday we left off. We were in the middle of the dialogue. We'll do that, but first we gotta practice some verbs. So if you have your verb sheet, you have it. If you have it, take it out. I think I have one extra one.
Is this one his book, my house, Ali?
No, the one that has like the list, the columns with all the verbs. This one.
I don't.
I have this one extra. Let's do one together. We'll do. Is Zahaba on this one? Yeah, so Zahaba is on the third column. And we've already done this, right? This is book 1. What's Zahaba mean? He went, okay? Alright, ready? Zahaba. Zahaba. Zahabu. Zahabat. Zahabata. Zahabna. Zahabta. Zahabtuma. Zahabtum. Zahabti. Zahabtuma. Zahabtunna. Zahabna. What's he went? And she went. Zahabat. What's I went? Zahabtu. And you went a man. Zahabta. And you went a woman. Zahabti. What's a group of women? They went. They went a group of women. So Shireen, what are you saying? Yes, she got it. Zahabna. It's third person. They went. Zahabna. So you have to use hunna. Hunna. Okay. Let's do Brother Ala. How about Sabara? He was patient in the second column.
Sabara. Sabara. Sabaru.
Yep.
Sabara. Sabarata.
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 And for hunna?
Sabaratunna.
Sabarna.
Sabarna. Sabarta.
Yep.
Sabartuma. Sabartum. Sabarti. Sabartuma.
Yep.
Sabartunna.
I.
Sabartu.
Yep.
Sabarna.
Okay. What's they all? A group of men?
Sabartum.
No. They.
They.
Sabaru. And they all a group of women? Hunna?
Sabarta.
No.
Sabarna.
Sabarna. Brother Anwar.
Yes.
How about fifth column? Fahima. Yes.
One second.
I thought you said they, not you, just now.
How do you say sabr?
Sabah.
Sabr.
He was patient.
So what if, like, I'm pretty much sure it was gonna make no sense, but what if instead of sabr, what if the letter was sin? How would be the pronunciation?
Sabah.
Sabr?
Yeah.
And
So there's the saw, I make a aw sound. Sabah.
okay.
Sabara.
So fahima,
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 fahimu,
Ji.
fahimat, fahimta, fahimat, fahimata,
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 mhm,
fahimna,
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 mhm,
fahimta,
mhm,
fahimtuma,
mhm,
fahimtum,
mhm,
fahimti,
mhm,
fahimtuma,
mhm,
fahimtunna,
mhm,
fahimtu,
mhm.
fahimna,
Okay, what's I understood?
fahimtu,
Fahimtu, and
Fahimtu.
he understood?
fahiba.
Fahima, and
Fahima.
she understood?
She understood fahimta,
Fahimat.
Fahimat. And
Fahimat.
you understood man? Or let's say you all understood, group of men and women.
Group of men, then
Antum.
fahimta,
Fahimtum.
fahimtum.
Fahimtum. So if I say afahimtum, you would say na'am.
Now,
Alright, so this is the other thing that we were saying. Alright, so the I think we've mentioned this, but we've said that the meaning comes from the root letters, right? So whenever you come across a word, you always want to figure out where's the root letter, okay? This word isn't in the column, but what does kafara mean?
Disbelieved.
He disbelieved, right? So kafara is disbelieved. He disbelieved.
kafir.
Yeah, that's where the word kafir comes from, right? So what are the three roots?
Kafir.
Ka, fa, ra.
Ra.
Okay. So anytime you have these three roots in this order, you are going to have some meaning of the word disbelief. Okay. And this is why it's important, because if I switch the placement of these roots and I change the place of the fa and the kaf, and I say fa, ka, and ra, now what does the meaning become?
He thought.
He thought, right? Fikr or fakara is to say he thought. Okay? So the exact same letters, the exact same roots, but the order of them, kafara, fakara. So just by changing the placement of the fa and the kaf, you get an entirely new meaning. Okay? Fikr is like to think or a thought. Mufakkir, right? These are both similar. So just make sure that you understand what you know when you're looking at a word, that you know the placement of the roots have impact on the meaning. Okay? How about you conjugate kafara, Sister Tahira?
Kafara,
Mhm,
kafara,
mhm,
kafaru,
mhm,
kafarat,
mhm,
kafarata,
mhm,
kafarna.
mhm.
Okay.
Anta,
Kafarta,
kafarta,
kafartum,
kafa.
kafartuma.
Antuma is kafartuma.
Kafartum,
Kafartum.
kafarti,
Mhm,
kafartuma,
mhm,
kafartunna,
mhm,
kafartu,
mhm.
kafarna.
Kafarna, okay? Kafara is almost always used with the particle be. So to disbelieve, if I say he disbelieved in something, in the Quran it's usually kafara billah. So if you have be with Allah, kafara billahi means he disbelieved in Allah. Or kafara bi rasulihi, he disbelieved in his prophet, he disbelieved bil Quran or bil kitab, whatever. Okay? Fakara, he thought. Sister Alia.
Fakara,
Mm-hmm.
fakara,
Mm-hmm.
fakaru,
Mm-hmm.
fakarat,
Fakarat.
fakarta,
Fakarata.
fakarna,
Fakarna.
fakarta,
Fakarta.
fakartuma,
Mm-hmm.
fakartum,
Mm-hmm.
fakarti,
Mm-hmm.
fakartuma,
Mm-hmm.
fakartunna,
Mm-hmm.
fakartu,
Mm-hmm.
fakarna.
Fakarna. What's huwa?
Fakara,
Fakara. Hiya.
fakarta,
Fakarat,
Fakarat. Hum.
fakaru,
fakartum,
fakaru,
Fakaru. Hum is fakaru. Antum is
fakar,
fakar. فكرتم. Alright, so keep practicing these even when we don't have class. Inshallah we'll get them. Let's do the homework real quick and then we'll take a break and then we'll finish lesson 3. Did you have this from last Friday? Not last Friday, it was Friday before.
No, I don't.
Okay. You can look on with
Okay. I forgot to do the homework.
you forgot to do it.
I'm sorry.
Now I'm gonna make you do it. Do the first one.
Allah, Allah
Okay,
have
inshallah.
one.
You have an extra one?
Yes.
Alright, read the first one and then translate it in English.
في يدي
Mhm.
14 قلما.
في يدي 14 قلما. What does that mean?
14 column in what was the other pocket?
In my hand.
Correct.
In my hand, right?
In my hand. So
In
what's
my
في يدي?
In my
In his
hand.
hand.
In
my
my
In my
hand.
hand.
Right.
I
What's
have
14?
There are 14 column.
14 قلما.
Pen.
I have 14 pens.
And then you notice that is قلم masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine, right? So the first part of the 14 disagrees, it's feminine, arba'ata, and then the second part, ashara, is masculine because it doesn't have the thumb.
Right.
Brother Najmul, read the next one.
هذا القميص غال جدا.
Okay, what does that mean?
This shirt is very expensive.
This shirt is very expensive. Keep going.
عندك
Mhm.
قميص أرخص منه.
عندك قميص أرخص منه. What does that mean?
Is your shirt more cheaper than his?
What's عندك?
Do you have?
Do you have?
You have, right? Or with you. So عندك means is it with is with
Is
you
your.
or do you have? What's قميص?
Sure.
Sure.
A shirt. It's indefinite, so any shirt or a shirt. أرخص منه.
Cheaper than this.
Cheaper than it. So he's asking, do you have a cheaper shirt or something that's cheaper than this one? Brother Anwar,
Yes.
next one.
Uh,
Read it in English.
English, he went to the mosque today
Mhm.
and I saw the Imam.
Okay, we went to the mosque.
ذهبنا
Mhm.
إلى المسجد
Masjidi. What's today?
اليوم.
اليوم. Okay. And I saw the Imam.
ورأيت الإمام.
Imam. Is it Imam?
Imamu.
Imama or Imam?
إمام.
Imam. Okay. Not Imamu, Imamu. Let me write this real quick. So, ذهبنا إلى
مسجد.
We can't say نحن ذهبنا, right?
Sorry?
We cannot say نحن ذهبنا.
You can, but ذهبنا is like,
It won't be right.
Yeah, don't complicate.
you can say it. Okay, so where is the verb?
ذهبنا.
Yeah.
ذهب.
Just ذهب. So this is my verb. Okay, here's
I
my
think we
verb.
did it on Friday.
Where's my subject?
Subject
Nah.
is
Nah.
Na. So the noon alif is my subject. Okay? Object.
مسجد. إلى المسجد.
No.
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 Whenever you have a jar majrur, just put a parentheses around it. It's never going to be the
Object.
Yeah, it's not going to be if the prepositional. This is a prepositional phrase, right? It's a harf jar and an ism majrur. So that's what it is, a jar majrur. Okay? So it is not the object. So this sentence is without this phrase has no object. Okay. Wa ra'aytu al
Imam.
ma.
اليوم.
Oh yeah, I forgot the al-yawm. Al-yawm. Okay. All right. In ra'aytu, where's the verb?
Right.
Right.
Ra'ay. Just the ra'ay. Okay. Here's my verb. Where's my subject? Tu.
Two.
Okay. Object.
Imam.
Imam. Okay, so in this case, the imam is the object. Okay, some verbs like this one, they won't have an object necessarily. Okay.
And why does in Yoma have a fatha on it?
It's another concept, but it's I think it's hal or something. We'll get to that later. Okay.
But I would
it's-
interpret that, and with my
Yeah.
current knowledge that I have, I would
Yeah,
say
yeah.
that's
You
the
would
object.
you
I
would
did
think
the
that,
same.
but you would be wrong because logically speaking, it can't be the object. You can't you don't do something to zahabna. So all you do is you say zahabna, right?
Yeah,
But yeah, it's a time. It's
our knowledge is
something that no. But just think about it logically. An object is something that is acted on by the
subject.
subject, right? So I ate the apple. So the object is being acted upon.
It's al
The imam is being seen by me. So it's the object. But yeah, you're right. The imam will have a fatha because it is the object.
The relation is al-yawma zarf, you know.
It is. I think it's either zarf or it's a hal, which we haven't gotten to. I'm not sure. All right. Sister Tahira, next one.
We are not Jews.
We are not Jews. How do you say that?
That's
That's no.
Confused in this one, but what I wrote, Nahnu, Laisa,
Be Yahud.
Biyahud.
Okay. So nahnu you can use, but if you say laysa, it means he is not or it is not. So laysa we practiced.
Laisa
Lasna.
Lasna. Let's do it together. Ready? Laysa.
Laisa.
Laysa.
Laysa.
Laysu.
Laysu.
Laysat.
Laysat.
Laysata.
Laysata.
Lasna.
Lasna.
Lasta.
Lasta.
Lastuma.
Lastuma.
Lastum.
Lastum.
Lasti.
Lasti.
Lastuma.
Lastuma.
Lastunna.
Lastunna.
Lastu.
Lastu.
And nahnu.
Lasna.
Lasna. So lasna is we are not. Okay? So complete it. We are not Jews.
Nasna, Biyahud.
Be Yahudin. So with laysa, you use be if you're following it by one word. So it's Yahudun, so it's be Yahudin.
how do you spell Yahud?
But could you say Lasna Yehudun?
You will have to say lasna Yahudan.
B.
Oh yeah, because it's the object.
No, it's ism laysa. The laysa is like Yahudun. The laysa is like kana. So you say like kana Allahu ghafura. We'll get to that later though.
So-
But when you're saying it with B, then you have to, instead of saying
Majrur.
Yahudun, it has to be Yahudin.
Because it's majrur, right?
Mhm.
And so you're saying that the ism Lasna makes it mansub?
Yeah, the ism,
Lasna?
the khabar laysa will be mansub.
Khabar, yes, okay. But usually everything we've taken, the khabar is never changed.
Yeah,
Like
but it doesn't.
la'alla.
It will with kana.
With kana and Lasna?
All right, finish it. Verily, we are Muslims.
Inna nahnu muslimuna.
Inna nahnu muslimuna. Perfect. Or innana muslimuna. Okay. Or innana nahnu muslimuna. Doesn't same. All right. Any questions on that? All right. We have 20 more minutes, so let's finish the dialogue and we'll try to get to the end. So open up to the
55 seconds before you started.
yeah.
It's so little.
It's 20 minutes.
20 minutes. I don't know. Try to figure it out, but couldn't. I mean,
Yeah, I think maybe if you hack it, maybe you can get it to
Get it? Boot it?
figure out how to hack your camera.
Yeah, inshallah.
All right, Ad-Dars al-Thalith. We read half of it, I think, on Friday. Let's just I'll read it quickly and then we'll say what it means quickly. Okay. Ahmad says, "Kam taliban fi faslikum ya Ali." What does that mean?
How
many students are in your class?
In your class, yeah.
How many students, how many talib are in your class, O Ali? Ali says, "Fi faslina 14 taliban."
In my class, I have 14 students.
We have 14 students in our classroom. Okay. الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر. What does that mean?
The students in our class are more.
The students in our class are more. So in this case, you don't really have min, but you could have min for more. الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر من طلاب في فصلك من فصلك. Okay, but it's just dropped off. فيه 19 طالبا. What does that mean?
In it there are 19 students.
In it, there are 19 students in our class.
Which one are we doing?
What page are we? I don't even know what page you're on.
Really?
Yeah.
We're on page 18. It's
In this
Dars
book?
just go to lesson 3.
Lesson
Dars
3.
الثالث.
Yeah, I'm in lesson 3.
Dialogue.
Oh, that's the
Is everybody there?
Yeah.
No? Alright, يا علي ما اسم الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس? What does that mean?
Yeah, Ali, what's the name of the students?
What's the name of
student.
الطالب الجديد? What's طالب الجديد?
New
Student.
student.
The new student الذي, the one who, what's جاء?
Came
He came, what's أمس?
today.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
الآن.
جاء أمس.
Yesterday.
Today is اليوم.
Yeah.
That's right. Excuse me.
Alright, Ali says اسمه أسامة. His name is?
Usam.
Ahmed says هو طويل جدا. What does that mean?
He's very tall.
Very tall. أليس كذلك? So أليس كذلك, you'll see it in the see it in a lot of places. Isn't it so? Right? Isn't it so? كذلك means like that, or just so, or just like that.
أليس كذلك.
أليس كذلك? And then the answer to a negative question is
No.
بلى.
Bala.
So Ali replies with bala. So if you're affirming a negative question, if you're saying yes, it is like that, then you say bala.
Okay, so it has to be a negative question.
Yes. So it has to have a negative particle in it, like laysa.
Okay.
And also in the Quran, like when Ibrahim alayhi salam, he asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to show him how he brings the dead to life.
Right.
Allah asked him, "Awa lam tu'min." So lam, we're going to encounter it in a few more lessons. Lam is a negative particle. Awa lam tu'min. Don't you believe? So it's a negative question. Don't you believe? And then Ibrahim alayhi salam, he says bala. Okay?
But it
So-
means yes.
Bala means yes. Yes to a negative question. Okay, Ali says هو طويل جدا. He is
New student.
Yes,
not
very tall.
جديد جدا.
Okay.
He is very tall.
He's very, very
ولكن حامدا أطول منه.
But Hamid is
Taller than
more
him.
taller.
Ahmed is taller than him. So what's لكن? It's a sister of
لعل.
إن
إن.
or لعل. So the ism inna or the ism lakinna is mansub. That's why instead of hamidun, it's hamidan.
Then
Okay, hamidan atwalu minhu. Innahu atwalu talibin fi faslina. What does that mean?
Verily, he is the tallest student in our class.
He is the tallest student. So atwalu talibin, it's a mudaf ilayhi. It says tallest student. Okay. وَمَنْ أَطْوَلُ طَالِبٍ فِي فَصْلِكُمْ. And who is the
tallest student.
tallest student in your classroom? فِي فَصْلِكُم. What does Ahmed say, Brother Ala?
أطول طالبا في فصلنا
طالبٍ.
طالبا في فصلنا إبراهيم.
Okay, what does that mean?
The tallest student in our class is Ibrahim.
Is Ibrahim. Okay, everybody get that?
Yeah.
Fadafna, next one.
Ali, ad faterka.
أدفترك.
كذا كذا.
No harakas to help you out.
I'm sorry. Daftaruka hada ya Ahmad.
What does that mean?
Daftar, what was the notebook, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have a notebook?
Is
No, is
Is
this your notebook? Right?
Daftaruka means
Your notebook.
So
Is this
Daftaruka
your notebook?
hada ya Ahmad, is this your notebook?
Right.
Keep
Inna
going.
inna khattaka
Mhm.
Jamidun jiddan.
Okay, what does that mean? What's khatta?
Handwriting
Handwriting.
is beautiful.
So
Handwriting.
khattun.
Indeed, your handwriting is very
Handwriting.
beautiful.
Assalamu alaikum.
His handwriting? Wow.
Khattun, yeah, in Arabic. In Urdu it means a letter.
Oh, cup.
Surely your handwriting is very beautiful.
Indeed, your handwriting is jameel means very
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 beautiful.
beautiful.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
Brother Najmul, next one.
Shukran yani. Khatti jamilun. Wa khattuka ajmalu.
Okay, so we'll translate.
Thank you, O Ali.
What's khatti jamilun?
My handwriting is
My handwriting. So khatti is my handwriting is,
beautiful,
and
and your handwriting is more beautiful.
is more beautiful or most beautiful.
Most beautiful.
Wa khattuka ajmalu. So you notice how jamil changes to ajmalu. Okay, you can do that with any other noun. Brother Anwar, next one.
Man hazal fata fatalji fatallazi ma'aka ya Ahmadu.
Okay, what does that mean? What's fata?
Young man.
Young man or
Young.
boy, or yeah, young man. So man hadha al-fata, who is this
Who is
young man?
this young man?
Alladhi ma'aka,
Why? What is this?
who is
Who is
With you.
ma'aka, with you.
with you?
Oh, Ahmad.
Ahmad.
Read the next part.
كأنه أخوك
Akhuka,
أخوك
كأنه أخوك. What does that mean?
is this your
What's كأن?
As if.
As if, or it looks as if
as if
he is your
Brother.
brother. He is a brother of yours. كأنه أخوك. It looks like he is your brother. Sister Audia.
Where are we?
18. Page 18.
Which one?
Ahmad, after man hadha al-fata. Are you on the Dars al-Thalith?
Yes.
So like the third last line. No,
Akbar?
Ahmad.
And the one
The one
before
before
that.
that. The one before that.
Oh yeah, the one
Naam.
before that. Naam.
هو أخي الأخي الشفي
الشقيق.
الشقيق.
What's الشقيق? Brother Ala.
I don't know.
Oh my
Shaqiq.
God, go back to your country, man.
Shaqiq is a full brother.
brother.
Full brother.
This is Fisha, okay.
So
It's like you know in like
I
Shakespeare.
thought a shaqiq is like, it's like it's used, isn't it? Shaqiq.
I don't know.
Okay.
Full brother.
But shaqiq is like full brother. There's another word for half brother, I don't remember it. Do you know it? How to say half brother?
Single brother?
Nisbah.
Guys, that's why I'm in this class.
Quarter brother?
This shaqiq, no.
What's the meaning of Shaqiq, you said?
Full brother.
Yeah,
Like blood
from
brother.
Your, from
From
your mother.
yeah,
mom
brother
and
from
father.
the same mother.
Yeah.
Because you can have a brother from a different mother, so you would be half brother.
That's actually used in English. Brother from the same mother.
Yeah,
You heard that?
yeah.
Yeah, brother
Brother
from-
from another mother.
Yeah, exactly.
Another one. Can you say that?
Sister Shireen, next one.
That means something different.
Brother, I was joking, alright? What's kidding? No offense.
No, I'm joking.
Ali.
Kabru
Akbaru.
وأكبر منك هو
Mhm.
صغير
أصغر.
أصغر
أكبر منك هو أم أصغر. What does that mean?
He is bigger.
أكبر.
is
So you're asking a question. Is he
bigger than you?
Bigger.
Older or
Older.
smaller than you?
أصغر?
Older.
No, not older. Bigger.
Bigger.
Or yeah, actually older.
That's what,
Yeah,
that's what it means in this context.
yeah. In this context, it means yeah, older than you or
Or
Younger than you.
younger than you. أصغر, right? Sitara.
هو Asgaru minni.
Huwa asgharu minni means
He is younger than me.
younger than me or smaller than me. Alright, brother Sarfaraz, next one.
علي في أي مهجوع
Mahja'in.
مهجع أنت يا أخي.
Okay, what's mahja? Mahja'un is a dorm room, like hotel. No, hostel or yeah, dormitory. في أي مهجع أنت يا أخي. So in which? في أي means what?
What?
Which one or what? Yeah. So in which dormitory are you, oh brother?
أنت يا أخي.
Oh my brother. Brother Ala.
Oh, there's more?
They don't have this word in the new word. That mahjari. Lesson 3 they should have.
أنا في
Right?
مهجي.
It's brother Ala.
Oh yeah. أنا في مهجعي
في المهجع.
في المهجع الخامس
Mhm.
وهو بعيد
بعيد.
جدا عن جامعتي
Is this a jamia or madrasa?
عن المدرسة.
No, mine says جامعتي.
Okay. What's أنا في المهجع الخامس?
I'm in the 5th dormitory.
Okay, we did we do Friday? We did the ordinal numbers, right? First, second, third. What's first?
أول.
Al-awwal. What's second?
Then
Thani. So after that, they all follow the pattern of fa'ilu. So what's third?
ثالث
Thalithu. Fourth.
ثلاثة
أربعة.
Rabi'u.
رابع
Okay. Fifth.
خامسة
Khamisu. Six is a little bit different because six is sitta, but just say sixth. How you say it?
ستة
No. Sadisu.
سادس
Sadisu. What's seven?
سبعة
Sabi'u.
سابع
Sab'a. Sabi'u.
I should know.
Sorry, we'll pass by it. Eighth is Thaminu, ninth is Tasi'u, and tenth is Ashiru. So I'm in the 5th dormitory. وهو بعيد جدا عن المدرسة. What does that mean?
and he is
It
far
is,
away
it is.
and it is far away from next to the college.
عن المدرسة or عن الجامعة means from the university. Okay. هو is referring to what?
Ane
It's
means,
the dormitory.
The dormitory. mahja.
ane means from.
أنا في
So if you say بعيد عن, it would mean far from. If you use it with بعيد. If you use قريب, what do you say? It's close to.
Qarib.
إلى.
قريب, no. There's another
عند.
part. There's another harf. قريب من. So you say هو قريب من, it is close to something. هو قريب من بيتي. Or if it's far from, you say بعيد عن. Okay. So this is how different harfs can be used. Almost done.
هو بعيد.
هو بعيد جدا عن.
No, you said which with بعيد which object?
عن.
Oh, عن.
Yeah.
Okay. What
Alright,
was
let's finish the last one. أنا في المهجع الثامن وهو أبعد من مهجعكم. Alright, what's أنا في المهجع الثامن?
I'm in the 8th dormitory.
I'm in the 8th dormitory. وهو أبعد من. It is
Further from
farther from من مهجعكم.
your dormitory.
From your dormitory. It's farther away than your dormitory. أيهما أحسن. What does that mean?
Which one is better?
أيهما means أيو plus هما. Which of the two? So هما is for two of them. Is what's أحسن?
Which of the two is better?
Is better or yeah, best.
Oh, that's-
المهجع الخامس أحسن. What does that mean?
The 5th dormitory is better
Is better or the best. فإن غرفه أوسع.
because
فإن means so indeed or indeed.
indeed
We haven't done it
The
formally, but
rooms
fa is like wa. It's just a particle of like, it's a harf, but it's like so or then, like that. فإنه, so it is, so indeed it's, what's غرف?
room.
Rooms, what's the singular?
غرفة.
غرفتun, the plural is غرفun. So غرفه, its rooms are أوسع, more spacious. What's the regular form?
وسيع
وسيع.
واسع.
وسيع
واسع means spacious. So أوسع means more spacious. ونوافذه أكبر.
The windows.
Bigger.
The nawafidh are windows. What's the singular?
Nafidah.
نافذة. نافذة. Okay, so the plural is on the pattern is nawafidh
So the time of work is dropped for the
plural. Just like in غرفتun, you say غرفun. ونوافذه أكبر. Its windows are bigger.
Bigger.
or biggest.
Or the biggest, yeah. ومراحيضه أنظف. Ooh, what does that mean? مراحيض. What's مراحيض? It's plural.
I would guess carpet.
No.
Desk. Bed.
Fence.
Fan. Who said
Fans.
fan? Yeah.
And,
No. That's fan is
مروحة.
mirwaha.
مروحة.
Marahid is a singular mirhal. It's like lesson 4, book 1. Bathroom. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, I think I skipped that one.
Mirhal.
Bathroom.
Plural is marahil. So the bathrooms are, what's anzaf?
Cleaner.
Cleaner. What's the
Nazi.
nadif?
Nadif.
Nadifun anzafu. There's a lot of vocab to digest. والسرر التي فيه, what does that mean?
No.
What's the what is it, plural or singular? Plural. What's the singular?
سرورا.
سرير.
سرير.
سرير, the plural is سرور. التي فيه, that are in it, أجمل, are
More beautiful. Beautiful.
prettier,
The best. The beautifulest.
the best. I don't know how a bed looks the prettiest. It does.
That's what it says.
What's the meaning of the last sentence?
And
What's
the
with
beds. Alright, so the whole sentence is, the 5th dormitory is better, for indeed its rooms are more spacious, its windows are bigger, its toilets are cleaner, and the beds in it are more beautiful.
beautiful. Jamil.
So Aina means for
Beds.
For indeed, so indeed.
Yeah, wasururu beds. Then it's the T, right?
Sururullati. Yeah.
Okay.
They didn't say sururuhu, which would mean its beds, but same thing.
So surul lati means
The beds in it.
all.
The sururu allati fihi, the beds that are in it.
And that's because it is inanimate object multiple, so it's.
Allati. Yep. A good catch on that. Alright, flip forward. We're gonna read the vocab and then we're done with this lesson.
Would you say
Well, we're skipping a lot of
an
stuff.
means? What the hell's an?
An, it means like, in this case it means from, but it has different meanings. It can mean about or regarding. Okay. I think we've done all of the exercises, right?
Yeah.
Actually, we didn't do the exercise 10 and 11, did we?
Yes, we did.
Really?
Yeah, 10 we did yesterday, not in the last
10
one.
we did, but not 11.
No.
So that's the ordinal number. So for homework, do exercise 11. So read 10, which is like the
Five, six.
ordinal numbers, and then the exercise 11 is like look at the word and then look at the number, and then you have to say, like the first one is al-yawm, and they have the number 8. So you have to say al-yawm al-thaminu. Alright, al-kalimat al-jadid. What's thamanun?
8.
Someone famous.
Eight.
Oh, poor.
Oh,
No, wait, feminine.
Someone-
Someone-
Price.
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 Yeah,
Uh,
price.
It was in the last book.
And then
Okay. Alam, alamun,
Word.
world. So alim means a knowledgeable person, but alam is a different. It means the world. Shahirun,
It means war?
yeah,
world,
world.
not war.
Okay, war.
What's shahirun? Famous.
Famous. Yes.
Another word is mashhur. What's shahrun?
Month.
Month.
Plural, there's two plurals, shuhurun and ashhurun. Okay. What's la'ibun?
Player.
Player.
Player. What's the three-letter root? La.
La.
Lam, ayn, ba, right? La'iba is to play, he played. The plural is la'ibuna. Okay, what's fil manami?
In sleep.
In sleep or dream.
Dream, right?
Yeah, in sleeping or in dreaming. And azharu is azhar. So, inshallah, Wednesday we'll start lesson 4.
Oh, so it's a college, right?
Yeah, Al Azhar University. And then just do exercise 11 for the homework. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
We're finished. It's actually at 10 o'clock.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
man.
it started from yesterday.
Well, we got 15 minutes off.
Awesome.
Okay.